Today, our adorable babies and their playful pets are super excited. They're going back to the amazing pink world. Look at their little faces light up as they arrive at the pink beach. Everything is pink: the sand, the water, even the fish. The babies giggle as they put on their pink swimsuits and grab their pink floaties. Splash! Into the pink water they go. Their pets join in the fun, doggy paddling and creating pink splashes everywhere. Oh my! The babies are having a splash contest. Who can make the biggest pink wave? The pets aren't far behind. Look at that puppy go. He's creating a pink tidal wave. Everyone's soaked, but look at those happy faces. After their swim, the babies decide to build a magnificent pink sandcastle. Look at those little architects at work. Oh, what's this? They found a magical seashell. It's not pink, but look at all those beautiful colors. Now they're building a huge sandcastle with the pink sand. It's getting bigger and bigger. The kittens are helping too, patting down the sand with their little paws. How cute. Uh-oh. A playful breeze knocks over part of the castle, but our little builders aren't discouraged. They work together to make it even bigger and better than before. Teamwork makes the dream work. Time for a snack break. The babies munch on pink watermelon while the pets enjoy pink doggy treats. After their snack, it's back to the water for more fun. Look at them go. The babies are pretending to be pink mermaids while the puppies are barking at the pink waves. But wait, what's that? One of the babies has found something different. It's a tiny, colorful seashell. Look at how it shimmers and shines. At first, they're not sure what to think. It's not pink like everything else. They show it to their friends, and everyone gathers around to see this strange, non-pink object. The pets sniff it curiously. It doesn't smell pink either. But then, they realize how beautiful and special the colorful shell is. It's unique, just like them. They begin to appreciate all the little differences that make their day at the beach so much fun. The babies and pets learn that even in a world where everything seems the same, it's our differences that make us special. They decide to collect more colorful shells to decorate their sandcastle, making it the most unique castle on the pink beach. As they work together, they realize that combining their different ideas makes everything even better. They say goodbye to their new colorful shell friends, promising to come back soon. As they leave the beach, they take with them not just pink sand between their toes, but a new appreciation for uniqueness. The babies and pets head home, tired but happy, knowing that being yourself is the most wonderful thing of all. And so ends another fantastic day in the world of baby adventures. Sweet pink dreams, little ones.